Can I have a bite?
Mac and cheese. Oh, who doesn't love mac and cheese? Gorgeous creamy pasta with an incredible white bechamel. Little bits of mushrooms running through there. Maybe they taste a little bit like bacon. Watch out, we got a car here. If you want to get some more mac and cheese into your life, we've got 3 tips for you. The first is here. That is our BOSH cookbook. This is our creamy mac and greens recipe. It's delicious. We've got breadcrumbs on top. This is baked in the oven. The bechamel is gorgeous and cheesy. It's vegan, obviously. There is a free video of this, which will show the link down below, or you can find it in your BOSH book. Second way you can enjoy mac and cheese, if you don't want to cook it yourself, maybe you're short on time, go and buy it. It's not bad. And our third and final tip for getting mac and cheese in your life is to go to a street food vendor, because those guys make the best food. So we're gonna go back in time to last week at Vegan Nights, where Ian had Pig Out's delicious hot dog topped with mac and cheese. Check this out.
Hello and welcome to another episode of the BOSH Boys vlog. Today we are here. We've come here because apparently there is something delicious happening. Delicious with a capital D. So there's a street food trader called Pig Out that have done a wonderful mac and cheese hot dog, and apparently it's unbelievable. So we're gonna go inside right now, see how it's made, give it a little whirl and see if it is indeed worth the hype. Now we've nailed mac and cheese here at BOSH, so I wonder how good theirs is gonna be. I have high hopes and my fingers firmly crossed. So these are the 3 wonderful dogs that we've got here. There's the German, the American, and the Japanese. Now this one has got mac and cheese on it, which means this is the one we're going for. So we said that we wanted to come to Vegan Night to find a wonderful hot dog, and that is exactly what we've done. I found a wonderful woman too. What's your name?
Autumn.
Autumn, and you're the founder of this, right?
I am indeed.
Go on, tell the people what you do.
We are Pig Out. We do fully loaded vegan hot dogs, mostly around London. Been open a couple of years now.
So this is quite a wonderful thing that we have here. How do you go about sort of constructing what is on your admirable menu?
I think we get inspiration from different areas of the world. So the American, for example.
Is this what we have here?
That's the American.
The American, check that bad boy out. Look at that. Oh, so tell the people, what is it?
So it is mac and cheese, topping of crispy onions and truffle. We've got parsley and then a sour cream topping, and we've added some mustard on that today too.
So do you boil it like a regular kind of meaty breakfast?
Yes, yeah.
Right.
So it's boiled to cook, and then when we get to site, it's put into a bain-marie. So that just really fattens it up again, using the word fat a lot. But,
yeah, that's fine. Right, for anyone who's watching at home, who's feeling inspired to make their own hot dog, what top tip or top tips would you have for them?
I'd say go as crazy as you want.
Okay.
I think
in terms of the toppings.
In terms of the toppings, yeah. I think we fall way too easily into thinking ketchup and mustard is a topping. But a hot dog you can have in all occasions, and I think Pig Out's an example of how you can put a ton of different options on there. And nothing's the limit really. We've tried a bunch. Some haven't worked, but the majority have. Whatever flavors you like in your day-to-day cooking, put it on a hot dog.
Amazing. Autumn, it has been a pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Nice one. Dig in. Or shall we pig out? Yes, we shall. I've been lucky enough to eat hot dogs all over the world, America, some of the best in the world, but this is right up there with all of them. Now, a hot dog, like I say, lives and dies by the meat, and that is perfectly seasoned. It's got a wonderful sort of hearty bite to it. It's very, very meaty and exceptionally satisfying. It works perfectly with these crispy onions, this wonderful mac and cheese, that sour cream and that mayonnaise. Hot dogs are good. Pig Out hot dogs are better. So we were really after a very delicious hot dog, and we found one. The Pig Out, they know exactly what's up. They know how to make a wonderful hot dog. The meat in that sausage was remarkable. The toppings, perfect. What would you put on your hot dog? Let us know in the comments below. Also, thank you for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so now, because a lot more content is like this is coming your way very, very soon. It's been a pleasure, as per usual. Bish, bash, bosh.